it is about money. If you travel, it's about money. Whatever that you buy, you eat, you drink, it's about money. It's money that is providing all this for us. Money is not evil. Having money is not evil. But the love of money that you have for it is what terms as evil. So it will get to a point in time, man has to kill his brother for money. You get it? It will get to a point in time, someone has to murder somebody for money. This is what the production team is telling you. So was a car and your bonnet. So was a car and ye abon sam. So was a car and I oh pace a car and ye bibia a hat and then ye bibia a tia. Name or do woman sikano and a debonnet eba. In the Bible, credit card catcher says, Sikahu do and the ye bonin na the infitiasie. It is said the root of all evil no is about money, dear. And then the quite ben offer so a pebby. So the idea suiti now ton what dear, now a pisca and your bonnet, and to net your day, young fancy to say, fitted Jordan Cosi Fieda, Duma would be ano yese would the pesica, and unto the pesicano. Fakwan paso ne pesikano wobeko pesikano beko peno kwambone so anunte betomribinu na obi koku obi e de akopesika obi kohwie moja gu e de akopesika obi akogi sikaduro na wi afi ba bi eduru ye ne se onfa moja mra ye onfa ni nua mra onfa na ofa mra ana onfa obi opena asem abusuam emra no obi sa se odo awo ma sika no obi ho ase 10 pesos kwa ne honam a wotena entena yes sika ne ya de nyina ase de osankafo kaaye no ba bi sa ho se a quite ben now fast or penwo. Obo what sika to the sense says is a canny who the obey and at the whole day business why basa yes sika moja a war what him some pabisha and then elecam ne Dixon